Kambawa, hope everyone's good. So I thought I would come down to the woods and test out a new battery I got in the Olight SRT Batton. Said a few videos ago that even though this is 1020 lumens, all of these flashlights here seem a lot brighter than this. This is the M10, it's 350. The Phoenix LD22, sorry, TK12, that's 450. That's the LD22, and that's 350 lumens. So I thought I would come down with a brand new battery and see if this is any brighter than these, because it might have been a problem that I had with the batteries, and whilst I'm here I thought I might bring down my most commonly used EDC flashlights and do a little comparison since I'm here. So it's not completely dark yet, there's still some blue in the sky, so I'll wait until it gets pitch black and then I'll start trying them out, and I'll have a walk down to the lake and try them out there as well. So first off, the SR2 Batton. M10 Maverick. Look about the same. TK12. Doesn't have the same throw as the Olight. Oh, sorry, the same spill. Seems a bit brighter though. There's the Olight SR2 Batton. Camera's picking up more light in the sky than there actually is. You can see it's pitch black without the flashlight on. Here's the M10 Maverick. Here's a toad. I think this might be a natterjack toad. They're very rare in the UK. We've got two species, the common toad which jumps, and the natterjack which can't jump, it just crawls. So it's nice to see those. Like I say, it's pretty rare. Nice big looking toad as well. So we'll leave them alone. So the path is flooded out. Won't be able to get to the lake after all. So I found a bit of marshland. I can see a light flashing over there. And the camera's picking it up as well. Don't know if that's somebody with a light. And you can just see it breaking through the hedge over there. Anyway, here's the TK12 again. I think this is one of my favourite flashlights. See that hedge over there where the light's coming through? That is somebody with a flashlight. That was a father and his kid looking for wildlife. Thought it might have been a poacher or the farmer coming down to see who it was flashing lights in his field. So walking back home with the SR2 Batton, had it on medium mode. I just put my shitting pants on. So about 6 or 8 pairs of eyes reflecting back at us, like something out of a horror movie. Put it on table and small herd of deer staring at us. There's an owl screaming at us somewhere up there. Also sounds like something out of a horror movie. I love coming here at night. Hear things you don't hear during the day. This thing's starting to heat up now, so I'll get it off turbo. That's been on for over 2 minutes on turbo. And it's supposed to die down after 2 minutes, but it hasn't. Oh well. See if we get back safe. So that's just a real quick video I wanted to do, comparing my most commonly used EDC flashlights against each other. None of these are new. I've had them for a few years, but I tend not to buy new stuff unless I lose or break something, or if I really want to try something new, then I'll buy something else. I've actually bought a new flashlight today. It's Army Tech. So I'm going to give that a go when I get it. Should get that in about 2 or 3 days. But yeah, I say the newest flashlight in front of the camera now is the SR2 Batton, and I got that back in 2017, so it's probably ancient tech as far as flashlights go by now, but it's still good. And like I said, I've never tested these out against each other. Just thought I would, since I got a new battery for the Olight, and I said a few videos back that even though it's 1020 lumens, it seems a lot duller than the other flashlights, which are much lower lumens. But even with a new battery, there's not really much difference between any of them. The Olights seem to be more of a floodlight, whereas every other flashlight I've owned is more of a spotlight. Out of all of them, the best seems to be the TK12. It's got the best throw. I can see clearer out to further distances with it. Another thing I learned about the Olight SR2 Batton, I've used it a few times in the full turbo mode, but just for a few second bursts to see something further away in front of us. Never had it on for longer than maybe 30 seconds. Had it on for about 5 minutes today on full turbo, and the safety thing that's supposed to knock it down to I think 900 lumens after 2 minutes to stop it from overheating and burning out the LED didn't work. So don't know what's going on with that. It might just be its age. It's just stopped working over time. But haven't had it really that long. I mean, 2017, about 2 years old. So carried it pretty much every day since. But from every now and then I'll want to try and carry something else, so I'll switch it to one of these other ones. But it's mostly the SR2 Batton. But yeah, there's not really much, like I say, difference between any of them. To the naked eye, I don't think the camera picked up any real difference between any of them either. All on turbo mode. All had fresh batteries. Or fully charged batteries. I don't have non-rechargeable batteries in any of them apart from the M10 Maverick. So everything had fully charged batteries, and still no real difference between any of them. Surprisingly, like I say, the LD22 and the TK seem a lot brighter than the two Olights. But I think that might be mainly down to the two different types of flashlight. Like I say, the Phoenixes are more spotlights, and the Olights are more floodlights. So there might be a reason why they seem more brighter than the Olights. But like I say, I got a brand new flashlight on the way. Should be getting it soon. Brand that I've never used yet. Army Tech. So we'll give it a go. It's a 900 lumen flashlight, and it's got a real high rating. A lot of people seem to like it and highly rate it, so I'll give it a go and see how I like it. I won't say what it is until I get it though, so you'll have to wait and see. But that's all I've got for this video. Thanks for watching. Shanna.